Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make quesadillas in the oven. First, let's get organized. You'll need your favorite tortillas, about 1 cup of shredded cheese per quesadilla, and any delicious fillings you desire, like cooked chicken or sautéed vegetables. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and easy cleanup. Now, let's assemble these delicious quesadillas. Place 1 tortilla flat on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Take about 1/2 cup of your shredded cheese and sprinkle it evenly over just 1/2 of the tortilla. Next, add your pre-cooked fillings, like seasoned ground beef or black beans, directly on top of the cheese. Finally, carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled side, creating a neat half-moon shape. Repeat for all your quesadillas. It's time to bake. Carefully transfer your assembled quesadillas into the preheated oven. They will need to bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want the cheese to be completely melted and wonderfully bubbly. For an even crisp and golden brown finish, remember to gently flip each quesadilla halfway through the baking time. This ensures both sides are equally delicious and perfectly cooked. Your oven-baked quesadillas are ready. Carefully remove the hot baking sheet from the oven. It's a good idea to let them cool for just 1 or 2 minutes before you start cutting. This helps the cheese set and prevents any burns. Using a sharp knife, slice each quesadilla into 2 or 3 triangles, depending on your preference. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings, such as a dollop of sour cream or a spoonful of zesty pico de gallo. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.